How to find my files on Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your files on your Imo application easy and quick. So first thing, go to your app. Once you are here, click on your profile icon. Once you click on it, you're gonna find my files. Click on it. And here you're gonna find all your files on Imo app. Like you see, I don't have any files on this app because it's a new account on this app. But if you ever use this account, you're gonna find all your files in this list. And this is it, so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like.